bling and sparkles everywhere, with tall buildings, scrumptious food, and lightning speed transport. Singapore deserves a spot on your ultimate bucket list. You can whiz around Singapore in minutes with their super fast public transport system, which makes it easier to explore this place. Be it the food or the culture, everything is taken seriously in Singapore. Keeping aside its magnificent culinary choices, the skyline of Singapore is to die for. This tiny, yet easy to explore destination is one of those Asian potpourris of cultures that will leave you entranced.